Is VectorShift, once a promising AI tool, still a contender in today's rapidly evolving AI landscape? First, let's recap what VectorShift does. It aims to streamline AI workflows, focusing on data preparation, model training, and deployment. Think of it as a central hub for managing your AI projects. Data preparation is crucial. VectorShift offers tools for cleaning, transforming, and augmenting your datasets. Look for its ability to handle various data types, including text, images, and numerical data. Note how intuitive the interface appears. Next, model training. VectorShift boasts support for popular machine learning algorithms. Examine the options for hyperparameter tuning and experiment tracking. Consider if it provides enough flexibility for your specific needs. Now, let's compare VectorShift to its competitors. How does it stack up against DataRobot or H2O.ai in terms of features, pricing, and ease of use? Research independent reviews and user testimonials to get a balanced perspective. User feedback is key. Check online forums, review sites, and social media for discussions about VectorShift. Pay attention to comments about its performance, reliability, and customer support. A vibrant community often indicates a healthy and evolving tool. Deployment is the final piece. VectorShift aims to simplify the process of deploying models to production. Observe how easy it is to integrate with existing infrastructure and monitor model performance. Ultimately, whether VectorShift is still a good AI tool depends on your individual needs and priorities. Weigh its strengths and weaknesses against your specific requirements before making a decision.